Get ready to experience a whole new world of possibilities with the latest addition to the smartphone market, the brand new and highly anticipated, packed with cutting-edge technology and innovative features. This phone is designed to revolutionize the way you communicate, work, and play.
From a sleek and stylish design to advanced camera capabilities, lightning-fast processing power, and an intuitive user interface, this smartphone is everything you need and more. So join us as we dive into the exciting world of and discover what makes it the must-have phone of the year.
Hello Welt System, a German company that specializes in developing open-source technology, has recently launched a new addition to their Voluphone line, the Voluphone X23. This smartphone is the latest smartphone model to not use the Google ecosystem, and it boasts an open-source operating system that offers users more control over their device.
Customers can choose from two versions of the Voluphone X23, one that comes with the Vola OS installed and the other with Ubuntu Touch installed. The device is available for pre-order at a price of €522, about $558, with deliveries scheduled to begin in May 2023. The Vola OS version of the phone is compatible with most Android apps, while Ubuntu Touch is not.
The Voluphone X23 is equipped with the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. It has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of 6.1 HD plus screen with a resolution of 1560 x 720 pixels, providing a great viewing experience. Also, it features a 16MP front-facing camera and dual rear cameras, 48 megapixels and 8 megapixels, for capturing high-quality photos and videos.
The smartphone has a 5000 mAh battery with 30 watts wired charging and wireless charging capabilities. The phone's dimensions are 160.9 x 80 x 12.2 mm, and it weighs 270 grams. In addition to its specifications, the Voluphone X23 is also a rugged smartphone that meets the military standard MIL STD-810H.
This means that it is durable and can withstand extreme temperatures, falls, and vibrations. The phone also has water and dust protection, IP68, which adds to its overall durability. Moreover, the battery of the X23 can be easily replaced without the use of any special tools.
The Voluphone X23 is an exciting new addition to the Voluphone line, and it offers users an alternative to smartphones that use the Google ecosystem. It is perfect for individuals who are looking for a device that provides more control over their smartphone experience. Additionally, with its rugged design, impressive specifications, and reasonable price, the Voluphone X23 is definitely worth considering.